the 2013
GMC Acadia. Powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission, this vehicle gets up to 24 miles per gallon. This GMC features premium sound, leather seats, and towing package. Safety features include traction control, 4-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include technology package, satellite radio, and third-row seating. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.